In this video, I'm going to show you my technical analysis, forecast, outlook, and predictions on Unity. Okay, this is Unity software. I'm going to show you my exact outlook on it using this tool in around 2 minutes. So make sure to watch it till the end. And I'm going to use a strategy to do all of this technical analysis. I'm going to use a strategy that has actually been tested previously. You have hundreds of credentials and testimonials. First link in the description. If you're skeptic about this strategy, and yeah, I'm just going to walk you through my analysis. Very short and brief video. I think it's going to be very valuable to you. Now let's get right into it. That doesn't mean that this is the strategy, this is the one, this is the godly strategy that you actually have missing out. This analysis might seem even odd, but this has shown to work for me in the past. I'ma keep using it. So this is Unity, ticker symbol U. Gone around 1.82% down. Now high time frame structure, yeah, just like dog shit. Basically, we have broken the structure down multiple times. Following the weekly structure, I don't really care about earnings and whatnot. Of course, now you might be like, "What? This is a noob." I'm clicking off the video. I have hundreds of like credentials backing my kind of thing up. Now that doesn't mean that this next thing is gonna be and next prediction is gonna be correct. This is not financial advice by any means, just my perspective. But this strategy has shown to work for me in the past, and I'm gonna keep using it. So from here, if the price comes back and mitigates this structure from right there, I'll basically look for upside moves. And if we start to break the structure down, or if we start to break these lows down, I will start to look for downside moves. So simple as that. Just kind of confirmations that we're giving ourselves before we actually see any kind of movement down. So this is kind of my our way of looking at things. If you found any value, like the video, is going to help me a ton. On the other side, if we actually until we break this low and we don't actually start to deliver lower, I'm definitely bullish to the highs, just like that. So for right now, I'm bullish above the highs on the 1 hour chart. If we start to break this 1 hour low right here, I will look for downside moves to deliver below $21. And if it comes into here, I will look for confirmation. Simple as that. I think it might be a little bit complicated, but if you found any value, like the video, it's going to help me a ton. If you want to learn the strategy for free, 100%, go ahead and check out the first link in the description. I think I'm very generous, so if you take advantage of this opportunity, because people are charging hundreds and thousands of dollars, and do not forget to join the newsletter because you'll get the most valuable tips and insights every Sunday for free in your DM that are worth thousands of dollars.